Hi, my name is Travis Austin,
And this is Nathan Kurtz.
and we work with the New Boundary Technologies Support Department. Today, we're going to talk about Prism Suite's asset management component, of which there are two main properties of asset management. The property that we're going to talk about today is inventorying hardware and software. Nate?
An inventory of software and hardware information and gathers on an individual machine's basis what the hardware properties of that machine are and what software that machine has installed on it. If we were to inventory a machine, we would gather information about the hardware and software aspects of that machine. So I just started inventorying this machine, and we can note that the inventory status has changed to pending. Now I already have inventoried another machine, so let's switch to that and look at the kind of information that we gathered about the machine. And so you can also note here that the inventory status is completed, and it also gives the time when the last inventory was ran. So if we check the hardware subtab of the components here, we can see a list of information about hardware information from this machine. And on the software subtab, we can also see information about applications that are installed to this machine.
Nate, with software, is there a way to see, like, are all the applications that you might have in your environment and then maybe the licenses associated with those?
Yes, indeed. That is information that is gathered and collected, and we display it under the License Units tab, which we will end up talking about in a later video in more detail.
Okay. As far as scheduling in inventory, it looked like the way you did it was fairly manual. So is there a way to actually schedule an inventory?
Indeed there is. So under the File and Channel Properties, under Asset Management, we can set to automatically inventory machines either weekly or monthly, and then can select the inventory configuration, which we will also end up talking about in more detail in a later video.
So we don't really care about when during the week it's actually happening or when during the month the actual inventory is happening, just that we are gathering this information once a week or once a month.
Correct.
Okay. Well, this is our video that discusses how to inventory. Our next video, we will discuss other aspects of Asset Manager.